All right, this is lesson 4 on the guitar. This is where I'm going to take reading music and reading guitar tablature and see where they intersect. So I've written out here the basic elements of music. You've got 12 pitches. That's 7 whole letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then you've got 5 sharp flats for a total of 12 pitches or notes. And these are going to be divided. I'm going to go back to my drawing here. You'll see here up there that funky G looking, that's called a clef. So this is a treble clef. The 4/4 is a time signature. The numerator, if we use math terms, the numerator there means how many beats per measure of music that you're reading. So in this case, you're going to see that there's 4 beats to each measure. The bottom of the time signature, or the denominator for the math people, is what note gets the beat. So in this case, 4 would indicate that the quarter note is going to get the beat. So 4 quarter notes is going to be a measure of music in this time signature. 4/4 is about the most common time signature you're going to find. I've seen 6/8, 3/2, 12/8. The options are basically limitless. So here on my chart, a little lower, as I indicate here, this is where reading music and guitar tablature align. Basically, these notes there tell you the rhythm. So you see the first is the quarter note, as I mentioned up there in my chart. The next is an eighth notes. So what that's saying is 4 beats to a measure. The next is saying an eighth note indicates 8 beats per measure. Okay, a half note is going to indicate 2 beats. That note will equal 2 beats, and then a whole note is going to equal the entire measure, or 4 beats.